Hi mga besh, long time no see. After 100 years later, here we go again. So, I have a guest for today because we're doing another video of teaching my son my Bisaya language. So here is my guest, my son, Talon.
Hello, I'm Talon.
Come on in here.
Hello.
Don't do that.
Oh man.
So, oh no, don't do that. Come on, we're just gonna do a quick video.
Quick video.
Okay,
Do you think all those words is a quick video?
Kay murag na mayabas na siya sa diha.
I see some of these words actually are
okay, here
from
we go.
the last video.
Some mix. Okay, here we go.
I'm in every single video.
What is Lula means in Bisaya?
Grandma?
Did you pick up my
Kinda.
cheater?
It's already 1 minute.
Okay. Let's make it faster though. How about balay?
Horse?
No.
Morse? Abomination.
Balay?
Balay?
Yes.
Balay.
Balay is house. A house. Balay. Balay ni manang biday. Okay. Third one is, since that was I've asked you balay the last time.
Balay? I know.
Namiyabas no.
I feel like I'm an enemy.
Too big.
Too big.
Too big.
Too big.
What is too big in my language, Bisaya?
Rig? Rig?
What?
Wash.
Water. Water. Close. You need water to wash. Next is bulak.
Terrible role.
Next is bulak.
Block?
Bulak.
Block bull.
Bulak is
Block.
flower.
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 We're in 3 minutes already.
Okay. Make it faster. Kahoy.
Tree.
You picking. How about iring?
Ring.
Iring.
Earring.
Yes.
Earring.
Iring.
It means earring?
Iring nga igat.
What? You're gonna fall down of laughter.
Iring.
Earring.
Iring cat.
Earring cat.
Cat.
Cat? This video we're making mom laugh instead of teaching me how to do bisaya.
Iring is cat in Bisaya. Don't do that. How about nanay?
Nani?
Nanay.
Nane.
Nanay is.
Nane?
Come closer. Nanay is.
Mother! Mother!
you.
Mother!
Okay, hagdan.
Hagdan?
Hagdan.
Hagdan.
Oh, shoot. Excuse me.
You're welcome.
Hagdan is steps.
Steps.
Yes, remember that, okay?
Okay. I can't remember that.
Bugas.
Bugas.
Yes.
Brugas.
Bugas.
Bugas. Brugas. Brugas.
Rice. Rice.
Rice Krispie.
How about manok?
Monarch?
Yes, manok.
Monarch. Why do you look so serious?
How about manok?
Manok?
Yes. Remember, Grandma has a lot of it in the Philippines. Okay.
It sounds like a falcon.
No.
Yes, it does.
Chicken. Dala panipat na
Chicks.
chicken.
I remember that. I don't want to cook them.
What was the words I always tell you about when you get into the car?
Wash your hands.
Sakay na.
Sakina?
Yes. Sakay. When you get into the car.
What does that mean?
Sakay.
Seatbelt. Seatbelt.
I just mentioned. So, our last word is chicken. I want you to read this sentence for me. Okay, here. Louder.
Tag. Pilot. Pilo. Ang. Kigal. Sa. Imong. It sounds like the longest word ever. Monarch. Hi, Dad. Hi, Uncle Mike.
Hi. Hey, sis.
Hello.
Nom. K. Pilot. Kong. Tunga. Sa. Kilo. Kilo?
Ano na siya? Tag pila ang kigol sa imong manok nong kay palit ko tunga sa kilo. Ha? Oh my God.
Not bad.
Boy!